Hi there, I just wanted to show you a selection of my watercolour paintings featuring old trees. This one is a really old one. I really love it. I love the granulation that you see in the trunk of the tree. This is the one that I recently did a video on YouTube. So you can follow this one step by step. This one was also a YouTube video. But I absolutely adore the granulation in this particular one. This one's done on watercolour paper that I've applied tissue paper with gesso and painted on top of that. I really love this one. Just a little one here. You can see the beautiful granulations in there. This one's quite a simple little landscape with a tree. Lovely colours in this one, some pinks and some lovely turquoise colours. Lovely runs there. I love letting watercolour run on wet on wet. Another simple landscape. Quite a contemporary one, that one. This one's one that I did a while ago. The white that you can see is with a white gel pen on those grasses, all those brambles, but beautiful granulation in this tree too. This one's done wet on wet. Really old tree, bird there. You see a lot of birds in my work. This one was a YouTube video. I'll put a link on to my YouTube channel in the description. You can pop on there and watch this being painted. I really love the softer colours in this one. The rocks lifted out, and that beautiful, again, old tree. This one was a YouTube channel one. So you can also see this one being painted on YouTube. Another one that I've done on tissue paper. I just wanted to show you the lovely textures that I get when working with granulation medium and the tissue paper. So I will be doing some experimental watercolour classes soon when this COVID virus pandemic becomes safe for us to have classes again. If you are interested, you can email me on i.recycle@yahoo.com or find me on Facebook at the Rusty Door Arts and send me a message. The classes are at Port Kembla and I'll be happy to see you there. Bye for now.